So this is Tesla on the monthly chart, and as you can see, you got this massive head and shoulder pattern in which the shoulder at the $300 level is a massive resistance level, which held up back in July of this year. However, in the middle of this range, you do have the round hole psychological number of 200, which did serve as support by way of daily buyers, defending this again $200 round hole psychological number. Now, price does find itself in the middle between the daily buyers level at $200 and a resistance level at 280. Question is, we have about 10 more trading days to end the year, 10 to 15 more trading days to end the year. Question really is what's going to happen with the stock price and price action in 2024. To get some clues, let's look at this article. It is coming from investing.com. Bernstein's best idea for 2024 short Tesla stock. Now, this article was somewhat of an oxymoron. Let's get into it. You had Bernstein is promoting shorting Tesla, but they say it's the best idea of 2024. Analysts sees nearly 40% downside risk from current levels, which would put the stock at $150. So it's kind of weird. Best idea for 2024, however, 40% downside risk. Maybe they're saying it's the best idea for 2024 after price drops to $150. Not sure. At a fundamental level, 2023 has been a very difficult year for Tesla, with 2023 EPS roughly 50% below consensus estimates at the start of the year. Yet amazingly, the stock has nearly doubled year to date. Analysts said in a note to clients on Friday, Tesla's primary challenge, according to Bernstein, centers around a demand issue linked to its limited and high-cost product lineup, primarily consisting of the Model 3 and Model Y. Analysts anticipate this challenge to persist, projecting a lack of new high-volume offerings from Tesla until 2026. Now, the introduction of the Cybertruck is seen as having a limited addressable market, with estimates indicating it could pose a 100 basis point headwind to gross margins in 2024. Now, in an effort to achieve a year-over-year growth, volume growth of approximately 485,000 units in the fiscal year 2023, Tesla implemented a 16% price reduction. They've been reducing their prices all year round. This is probably like the 10th time, resulting in substantial pressure on automotive gross margins by 750 basis points. And that's why we had to sell off back in mid-2023. Although they sold more cars, their margins took a hit. According to analyst estimates, Tesla is anticipated to grow volumes by over 400,000 units, maintain nearly flat prices, and improve automotive gross margins by more than 200 basis points. Analysts expressed skepticism about these projections, forecasting a fiscal year 2024 earnings per share of $2.59, in contrast to the consensus estimate of $3.34. They go on to say, we expect delivery and revenue estimates for 2024 and 2025 will come down marginally. While significant downward EPS revisions had no impact on Tesla stock this year, we believe a waning of the growth narrative could weigh on the stock's multiple, analysts concluded. All right, so with all that said, kind of going back to the charts. Price is in this wedge pattern. And so at some point, something's going to give. Now, if I was a betting man, we have RSI approaching 60. We have price about to close above all the moving averages. We have the 200-day moving average slowly moving higher. You have your momentum indicators reversing from down to up. The charts suggest we're going to get a breakout to the upside. And if we do, look for that first target to come in at the $280 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.